For decades, the Humvee has served as the standard light tactical vehicle of the U.S. military. However, with the rise of modern weapons and military advancements, there was an urgent need for a new kind of vehicle, lighter, faster, and more durable than the Humvee. To replace the over 100,000 Humvees in operation, the Joint Light Tactical Vehicle, or JLTV program, was created. This new vehicle is faster and better than the Humvee in almost every aspect, and it is designed to keep troops safe from the different kinds of threats they face on the battlefield. After a decade of prototypes and testing from leading defense contractors, Wisconsin-based Oshkosh Defense won the hard-fought JLTV production contract in 2015. Their final design fuses lessons from improvised explosive countermeasures, powerplant engineering, and networked communications into what may be one of the most survivable, capable, light vehicles ever engineered. Today, the JLTV is steadily entering service across every branch of the military, as well as approved foreign allies. With production ongoing for over 19,000 vehicles, it is being battle-tested and integrated into a wide array of life-saving light vehicle missions. Let us take a closer look at this new military vehicle and see what makes it better than the Humvee. The development of Joint Light Tactical Vehicle, JLTV, also known as High Mobility Multi-Purpose Wheeled Vehicle, has its origins in the growing threats faced by American light tactical vehicles in the early 2000s. After the invasion of Iraq in 2003, existing Humvees and other lightly armored vehicles were proving vulnerable to improvised explosive devices, rocket-propelled grenades, and other weapons being used by insurgents. Originally, these vehicles weren't built to take the heavy fire from frontline combat, so the military had no option but to find a vehicle that could do just that. In 2006, the U.S. Marine Corps and U.S. Army began the Joint Light Tactical Vehicle program to procure a next-generation protected light tactical vehicle to ultimately replace around 55,000 aging Humvees. The new vehicle must balance protection, mobility, transportability, and payload to serve as a versatile multi-role platform across wide-ranging operational environments. Surviving deadly attacks would necessitate more robust armoring while still retaining the ability to maneuver through constricted terrain quickly, be deployed from aircraft, and support weapon systems. The JLTV program evaluated multiple prototypes during a technology development phase from 2008 to 2014. The military chose 3 defense contractors, Oshkosh Defense, Lockheed Martin, and AM General, and received contracts to develop their designs further to meet the stringent JLTV performance requirements. Oshkosh leveraged proven technologies from their mine-resistant ambush-protected all-terrain vehicle, MATV variant, but created an entirely new vehicle that focused on modular armor, off-road mobility, networked communications, and ample interior capacity. Their prototype JLTV models would undergo rigorous testing over simulated battlefield conditions before the selection. In August of 2015, the Army and Marines awarded Oshkosh Defense a $6.75 billion low-rate initial production LRIP contract for the JLTV. Oshkosh was selected based on their proposal's superior projected performance and reliability. Their production model JLTV underwent an additional year of government qualifications before the first units came off the assembly line. Since that initial LRIP order in 2015, Oshkosh has continually upgraded the JLTV design and expanded manufacturing capabilities. Over 19,000 total production orders have been placed through 2022 for the Army, Marines, Navy, Air Force, and foreign military sales. The JLTV program aims to replace approximately 55,000 legacy Humvees through 2040, cementing the Oshkosh JLTV as a key future light combat vehicle. If you're enjoying the video so far, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome military content just like this. The Oshkosh JLTV delivers next-generation performance across a wide range of tactical light vehicle missions. It combines robust protection, mobility, power, versatility, and advanced systems integration to serve as a configurable platform adaptable to evolving battlefield threats. The first JLTVs were delivered in 2019. The vehicle has a length of 20 feet, a width of 8.2 feet, a height of 8.5 feet, and a total weight of around 25,000 pounds. Because of its light weight, the JLTV is easily transported by CH-47 Chinooks, CH-53 Super Stallions, and larger aircraft. Oshkosh's design is based on the heavier M-ATV, but features 4 variants. These are the M1278 Heavy Guns Carrier, the M1279 Utility, the M1280 General Purpose, and the M1281 Close Combat Weapon. Each version of the vehicle is equipped with different armament and communication systems, depending on the mission-specific requirements. One really bizarre aspect about the JLTV is that the vehicle can be armed with a Boeing SHORAD launcher comprising 4 Hellfire missiles and a .50 caliber machine gun. Other armament configurations include a Boeing Compact Laser Weapons System, a Kongsberg Protector LW-30 remote weapons system with an M230LF Bushmaster chain gun, or a Samson Dual Stabilized Remote Weapons System, also with an M230LF. If that wasn't already impressive enough, the turret can also mount additional bunker buster weapons and anti-tank guided missiles. The Core 1080 Crew Protection System enhances survivability with bullet-resistant windows and armored doors and floors to protect the men inside from mines and other explosive devices. The JLTV offers MRAP-level protection against blasts under the hull tanks to advanced engineering techniques. Besides its excellent combination of protection and armament, the JLTV offers increased maneuverability, stability, and control due to its Duramax V8 turbo diesel engine and 6-speed automatic transmission. The vehicle employs a standard 4x4 wheeled configuration, providing the 4-man crew with ground clearance and cross-country support thanks to the TAC-4i suspension that can also be adjusted with the internal controls. Fully armed, the JLTV can achieve a maximum speed of over 70 miles per hour. The operational range is estimated at 300 miles. The JLTV utilizes an integrated survivability onboard vehicle architecture to defend crew and critical components across battlefield threats. This encompasses a modular armor capsule, durable underbody shaping, blast-attenuating seats, fire suppression systems, and damage-resilient fuel tanks, a drivetrain, and electronics. Armor packages utilize advanced ceramics, ultra-high hardness steel, and composite materials to optimize protection versus weight. With 70% of battlefield operations expected to occur off-road, the JLTV is engineered for all-terrain speed and agility. Fully independent suspension, 37-inch run-flat tires, and central tire inflation allow the JLTV to smoothly handle washed-out, sandy, snowy, and debris-strewn roads. Electronic stability control, anti-lock brakes, and a terrain-selectable drivetrain enable precise handling across gradients. With 20 inches of independent wheel travel, the JLTV tackles vertical obstacles nearly double that of the Humvee. Oshkosh leverages typical architecture to integrate vetted command, control, communications, computer, and C4 components from leading defense suppliers. This includes networked data radios, intercoms, battle management systems, and electronics supporting tactical communications and enhanced situational awareness. The crew compartment features abundant power, networking, and rack space for C4 enhancements. Large exterior routing channels enable stealthy antenna integration. With over 100 platform body drivetrain configurations available, the Oshkosh JLTV provides an exceptional balance of protection, speed, payload, and communications integration for succeeding the Humvee across light vehicle operations. Whether serving in transport, reconnaissance, infantry support, or specialty mission roles, the JLTV provides next-generation survivability and tactical capabilities. The Oshkosh JLTV has seen continually expanding domestic and international operational use since its initial fielding in 2019. It is currently employed across multiple branches of the U.S. military and approved for delivery to over a dozen allied nations as the Humvee's replacement for light tactical vehicle operations. The Army has been the largest JLTV customer, using it to fill a diverse array of mission roles. JLTVs serve as light infantry support vehicles equipped with M2 machine guns, Mk-19 grenade launchers, or M134 miniguns. They also serve in the light, fast attack reconnaissance role armed with TOW or Javelin missile systems. Additional variants include heavy gun carriers with 105mm cannon artillery, ammunition resupply trucks, mobile command platforms, and missile carrier platforms equipped with surface-to-air and surface-to-surface missile batteries. Most capability upgrades focus on improving lethality and C4ISR. In addition to the Army, the Marine Corps employs over 5,000 JLTVs across its light armored reconnaissance battalions, combat engineer battalions, tow platoons, communications platoons, and other units. They fulfill armored weapons carrier, scout, utility, and command roles. Some unique variants integrate SINGAR's radio suites, advanced SIGINT packages, and radar systems. The Marines continue acquiring JLTVs to replace roughly one-third of their legacy Humvee fleet. Through extensive foreign military sales cases, JLTVs have been sold to NATO allies like Belgium, Britain, Estonia, Lithuania, Montenegro, and North Macedonia, with additional nations awaiting approval. Besides direct military use, the unarmored base JLTV platforms is adapted for security operations and transport overseas. Over 5,000 JLTVs are slated for allied international forces, focused on interoperability and shared battlefield tactics with American forces abroad. With widespread domestic and international battlefield use underway, the JLTV continues demonstrating its tactical capabilities while setting expectations as the future of light-protected mobility for military operations. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to this channel. Hit that like button and turn on the notification bell to get notified anytime we post amazing videos like this.